Archanah Academy, Institute of Textile Printing Technology presents. Introducing Fabric Printing Kit Box. For the last 27 years, Archanah Academy has been teaching fashion technology and fabric printing technology. Now we have come out with one of our best products, Fabric Printing Kit Box. Print your designs on churidar, salwar, dhoti, shirt, frock, gown, shawl, dupatta, bed sheets, t-shirt, and silk saree. Printing designs has become very easy. You can start your own business immediately. Look at the variety. Churidars, ready-made garments, t-shirts, saris, umbrella, bed sheets, shopping bags, courtesy wedding bags, pillow covers. We can print on all these without difficulty. You need just a small space to start this business. Great self-employment opportunity, and you can earn handsome income. Order immediately for your needs. These prints can be used not only on textiles and dresses, but also on walls, just like you see it on your screen now. Do this printing on your old clothes and make it new. And your new clothes will become the latest, whatever designs you want to. This is one of the best products of Archanah Academy, who have been leading the field of printing technology for the last 27 years. The Textile Printing Institution. Call us anywhere from India. We deliver this product promptly and immediately.